Everybody, and welcome to Robin's house. Today I'm working on the Violet Dreams Scrap with Robin workshop, and this is a 3-page scrapbooking workshop that uses all the same papers and some Cricut cuts for titles, and then it uses the die cuts that are in the paper pack for decoration. So your kit will come with 3 full-page photos of what your pages should look like if you don't come to class. But anyway, this is page 1. So this workshop also features this super pretty, it's like glitter striped paper, and so it just adds a little bit of fun to the pages. And it's my pages, so they're very simple, very copyable. You can use the same idea and just apply it to a different paper pack. It would be very easy. So you lay down a paper, and then you add a strip over here, and then you add the striped paper over here, add your photo mounts, add your decoration, and you're all set. And your Cricut cuts will come pre-cut, but not assembled. You have to do that on your own self. And then we've also got some super cute little blooms in here. You'll get a half a pack of little blooms, and they are adorable. And then I give you some rhinestones because you always want to have sparkle. So that is page 1. Page 2, we've got Sweet 16, and I just love that. It could be obviously for the age of 16. Could be for this song, or whatever memories you have, or 16 years ago, 16 anniversary, whatever. And I've got some paper here. I've got some tiny strips of paper on top just to frame it up a little bit, because it is a nice dark page, and so it looks real nice like that. We've got stripes going on here with lots of some layers and some just sitting on top of each other. And then I use this stripy glitter paper to also frame this title section. I thought it looked so cool to break up that. This is actually Secret C. This is not black. And then the paper in here is Secret C as well. And so I think it's so pretty. And so it's very simple. Lay down a few papers, add your photo, backgrounds. And then I have placeholders because I don't know what photos I'm going to use on this yet. And it will be less distracting for you. Okay, then we've got a layout number 3 for your summer memories. And somehow I'm all crooked. And this one's super easy. So it's just strip of paper, strip of paper, strip of paper. Add some layers here just to brighten it up a little bit, and you're done. And then this one uses a little bit of a larger border than I was using on the other pages, because that's kind of fun. And it shows you another way to do things. So that's it for my Violet Dreams Scrap with Robin. And I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.